Let's take a look at the facsimile of the Barberini Psalter. Named for its 17th century owner, the Barberini Psalter is a deluxe manuscript of the Psalms in Greek. It was made for Alexius I, Emperor of the Eastern Roman Empire. He is pictured with his wife and young son at the beginning of the book. An author portrait follows. King David, traditionally understood as the author of the Psalms, is shown enthroned and holding a psaltery, reflecting the ancient topos of the poet accompanying himself on a stringed instrument. The scribe, Theodorus, wrote the text in a single column, leaving wide outer and lower margins, where hundreds of vignettes would illuminate the text. The first letter of each verse is written in gold and set off in the left margin. Some of the marginal scenes directly illustrate the psalm text. For example, the verse, "At the new moon, blow the trumpet," is visualized as a man blowing a large horn with metal fittings. Short wavy lines indicate the sound. For the verse, "The turtle dove has found a nest where she will lay her young," a dove with 3 chicks is shown in an enormous nest atop a tree. Some illustrations point to Christian understandings of the adjacent psalm text. The adoration of the Magi illustrates the verse, "All kings of the earth will adore him." This arises from the identification of the Magi of the New Testament with kings, which is based on the Christian reading of this psalm and a prophecy of Isaiah, who is pictured just above. These approaches can be combined, as in the visualization of the verse, "You crushed the heads of dragons in the waters." A pair of intertwined dragons, one with blood spurting where its head would be, illustrates the crushed heads. The waters are identified as those of Christian baptism by the scene above. The Psalter's main text is a book of Jewish scripture intended as a focus for Christian devotion. Its illustrations capture the imagery of the poetic text and help the Christian reader contemplate the mysteries it reveals. The imperial owners must have valued the guidance provided by the manuscript's imagery as much as the book's beauty. The facsimile was published by Belzer Verlag in Germany in 2022.